Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best camera drones for aerial photography in 2024. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. A88 Pro Camera Drone Professional 8K Dual Camera. With dual 8K cameras and 5G GPS technology, the A88 Pro is designed for precision and stability. Featuring obstacle avoidance and optical flow positioning, this upgraded RC drone offers advanced control with brushless motors and a 10,000 m range for professional aerial photography. The advantages of this camera drone are dual 8K cameras for high-quality imaging, long 10,000 m flight range with GPS tracking. The disadvantages of this camera drone are higher price point compared to entry-level drones. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. New K12 Max screen-controlled version 4K HD camera. The K12 Max features a 4K HD camera and brushless motors for optimal performance. This foldable drone is equipped with obstacle avoidance and can be screen-controlled, making it a versatile choice for aerial filming. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for on-the-go use. The advantages of this camera drone are foldable design for portability, 4K HD camera for clear video capture, screen-controlled for ease of use. The disadvantages of this camera drone are limited flight range, battery life may require frequent recharging. At number 3. V888 Drone 8K GPS Triple Camera. The V888 Drone boasts triple 8K cameras, GPS, and obstacle avoidance technology. With optical flow positioning and brushless motors, this professional-grade quadcopter ensures smooth flight and high-quality aerial shots. Ideal for advanced users seeking precision. The advantages of this camera drone are triple 8K cameras for comprehensive filming, GPS and optical flow positioning for stability, obstacle avoidance for safer flights. The disadvantages of this camera drone are heavier than some other models, longer learning curve for beginners. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Lenovo 10,000 M88 Drone 8K GPS Dual Camera. This Lenovo A88 drone features dual 8K cameras, 5G connectivity, and advanced GPS tracking for professional-level aerial filming. Equipped with obstacle avoidance and optical flow positioning, it's perfect for capturing steady footage over long distances up to 10,000 m. The advantages of this camera drone are dual 8K cameras for sharp imaging, 5G connectivity for stable data transfer, extended flight range of 10,000 m. The disadvantages of this camera drone are may be too advanced for casual users. Higher cost due to professional features. At number 1. Xiaomi V34 DRC Mini Drone with 8K Camera. The Xiaomi V34 DRC Mini Drone features an 8K camera and 5-sided obstacle avoidance for seamless navigation. Compact and portable, it's designed for both casual and professional users looking to capture high-quality footage. The advantages of this camera drone are compact and lightweight for portability, 8K camera for detailed images and videos, 5-sided obstacle avoidance for enhanced safety. The disadvantages of this camera drone are shorter battery life compared to larger models, limited flight range for long-distance shots.